Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how exactly we can create a requirement based test suite in Azure DevOps. Okay, to create any test suite in DevOps, Azure DevOps, basically you need to have a plan. So let's see how we can create a test plan. Now this will ask you to enter the test plan. Let's say demo requirement based plan. Okay, and you can select your area path as well as iteration path. Let's say I will select iteration 3. You can select any iteration for which you wanted to create this requirement based test suite. Okay, done. So now you are inside your test plan. Inside the test plan you will see 3 dots here, which will give you an option to create test suites. Now you can see there are 3 options to create test suites. So for requirement based test suite you need to click here. Okay, you need to select work item type as requirement. Okay, and run. Now it will check in my area path, okay, like what all user stories I have. So since my project is of type sprint, it will consider requirement as a user story. Okay, or it will consider user story as a requirement. So I will show you. If you come here in the processes, you will see there are multiple processes present in Azure DevOps: Basics, Agile, Scrum, and CMMI. If you select Agile, you will see all the requirements to be tracked inside user story. If you will select CMM, then you will see a specific, again, just like the user story, you will have a different terminology here called requirements. So each process have their own way to keep the things or to segregate the things. Again, they have the different templates, you can say in simple terms. Okay, so as of now I'm in the Agile, so think this requirement, so think this user story as a requirement only. Okay, now let's say I wanted to create this suite for these two required user stories. Okay, you can select whatever user stories you wanted to select. Okay, create suite. So you see, now we have 2 requirement based test suites. Inside each of this suite, I can add the test case. Okay, so if you have the test case already in the Azure DevOps, you can use add existing test cases. Again, it will search on the test case, run query. You will have your test cases here. Let's say you wanted to select these 3 test cases for this suite. These are added, and same way you can add more test cases in this particular user stories. Okay, something like this. Now we have 3 test cases in one requirement based test suite and 4 test cases in another requirement based test suite. Now the benefit of this is it will create a traceability inside it. Okay, so if I go ahead and check this user story, let's say if your manager or if your team lead want to see what are user stories, okay, let's say work item type user story, run, and I will open this one. So inside this user story you will see the traceability already maintained here. These are the 3 test cases which are linked to this user story, so that we can say, okay, for this user story we have developed these 3 test cases. Once they are done, once the testing will be done, we can say the user story has been tested properly. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.